Campbell Collegiate is a high school located in South Regina. The 5 places we're going to cover today are the open fields, the Balfour Rink, the garden, the university area, and some solo time area.
I am going to tell you what we can do in this large open field. As you can see, it's so big, kids can literally do anything on this field. They can play frisbee, they can play tag, they can just run around. And you know, over here we got like bars. Follow me. They can do gymnastics on here. So many things they can do on this field. And now, let me demonstrate to you a frisbee throw. One of the things that kids could also do on here. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Okay, he's gonna catch this one. Look at that! Ta-da!
Tracks. You can figure out what animal it is, how fast they're going, how far apart their jumps are, just by their footprints. Science. Trees. You can do science and math. You can measure the circumference of the trees, see how old the trees are. You can do different types of trees, figure out the different types of trees in the field. Yeah. A hockey rink can be outdoor or indoor. You can play fun games like hockey, ringette, or broom ball. Yeah.
I agree.
So does Caleb. Oh!
Touchdown, baby!
This is a Campbell Garden located in the middle of the high school. Students can learn nutrition and science by planting their own healthy gardens. It also allows us to practice mindfulness by sitting on the bench and enjoying nature. Here's what the walk or drive to the University of Regina would look like from Campbell Collegiate. Campbell Collegiate is a 5-minute drive to the university and a 15-minute walk. This allows our students to have access to all the amenities that the outdoors of the University of Regina has to offer. This includes Wascana Lake, where students can study wildlife, outdoor basketball courts and beach volleyball courts, and of course, Mines Garden, where students can explore Saskatchewan art.
So, kids can come here and do solo time, listen to the sound of beautiful birds, you know, just time to contemplate and think, just think about life, you know, and as he's thinking, you can see he's deep into his thoughts. So this is a very nice place because especially in the summertime when, you know, the trees are green, you know, it will look really nice.
And they could build a garden over here.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
I'm sure you will love to be here in summertime. Right now it doesn't look like much. But you will enjoy it in summertime.